Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a high protein, low carb cheesecake. For those of you who has a sweet tooth, still want to go to the gym, work out, keep the weight down, and keep your muscles up, I'll show you. So here are the ingredients. We have cottage cheese, 2 eggs, Greek yogurt, vanilla extract, and for my sweetener, I'm using monk fruit. It's natural sweetener, so it doesn't spike your glucose or anything. And then for more protein, we have protein powder. And for the base, I will be using graham crackers. All I did was blend it up. You don't have to use it, but if you want a base, you could use it. And I'll show you how to make it now. So I'm making the base. So you want to pour the graham crackers. Add a little bit of olive oil to combine. Supposed to use butter, but I don't have butter. Mix it up. So that's all combined. Okay. Also, make sure you preheat your oven to 375. And we're gonna bake the base for 10 minutes. Okay, so you're gonna need 1 cup of cottage cheese, if I could get this open. Put it into the blender. You're gonna need, add the eggs. One-third cup of Greek yogurt. One-third. Add 2 scoops of protein powder. You can add more if you like, but I only add 2 scoops. And then for sweetener, this one is based on how sweet you want it, so put as much and taste it for your liking. But like I said, I'm using natural sweetener, so you should as well. Blend it up. Taste it to see that's how you like it. Tastes sweet enough, I'm good with that. Guys, so I just took out the base. As you can see, it's nice and golden brown. That's what you want to see if you do decide to go with the base. Okay, now we pour the cream cheese. This will go in the oven 325 for 40 minutes. And we'll come back when it's done. Hey guys, so this is how it's gonna look once you take it out the oven. As you can see, I like mine a little golden. You don't have to cook it as long as I did for yours. You can just do the jiggle test where you shake it a little bit, and if it doesn't move as much, then it's ready. And at this part, just make sure you let it cool down, and once it cool down, wrap it up with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for the next day. And here you go, high protein cheesecake, low carbs for you, and you can still enjoy sweets, go to the gym, and still have the body